Hello, North White. Welcome back to this year at school. I'm Jen Deniston. I am the middle school special education teacher. I will be teaching an English class as well as some lab classes, and will be pushing in and helping in a couple of math classes for those who need the extra support. I'm looking forward to meeting every single one of you next week. It's going to be a great year. A few things. This is my 21st year of teaching. I live in Monticello. I've got twins, Brady and Keely, who will be freshmen this year. How did that happen? They're very active in marching band and 4-H and anything else music can be involved with. So they keep me busy. I also have another job. I work at Abe's Pizza. So if you've ever had that deliciousness, I may have had my hands on it. It's a fun job, a little extra money, a little extra fun. And that's that. That's me. So also for my class, just materials, you'll basically need just the basics, pencils, earbuds/headphones. Those are the most important things. Every single student needs to have a pair of those. If you can have the sets that have the microphone, that would be even more helpful, as we do several things on the computer most days, and you will be recording yourself. Those of you that have had me in the past know how important these are, and this is the time to get those things. Colored pencils, scissors, glue, wide-ruled notebook paper, all of those would be extremely helpful to have as well. I believe you need them for your other classes, so it shouldn't be additional. I do always try to keep extra supplies on hand in case anybody is in need. But this is also a good time of year to be purchasing these things because they are very inexpensive. And let's see, what else? Oh, some expectations. Be into my class on time. You will have assigned seats, and it is extremely important in these times with COVID that you remain in your assigned seats. Come into class, sit down, be ready. And then you also need to have your Chromebook. You need to have your Chromebook charged every single day. Do not come to school with your Chromebook near shutdown because it's almost dead. The battery's almost dead. And I cannot stress that enough. You can't move around to sit elsewhere to charge your Chromebooks. You have to be in your assigned seats. So if you cannot complete an assignment or an activity because your Chromebook is not charged, you will have responsibilities outside of the class. And those of you that know me know I don't like that. I like to get everything done in class together so that you have the support you need. Excuse my yawns. Most of you also know that when I speak like this on the computer, for whatever reason, I tend to yawn a lot. So, other than that, be on time, be here, be ready to work when you walk in here. I only have you for 48 minutes this year, so we're going to have a lot to get done in a short period of time. Excuse me. Come to my class prepared and ready to work, ready to have some fun. I like to have fun too. 3 things I'm going to leave you with, 3 thoughts that we're going to have this year. I want you to work hard at everything you do, even if it seems a little challenging. The harder you try and the harder you work, the easier it will come along. When working hard, take advantage of support that is given to you. Myself, my teaching assistant, and anyone else that's in our building, or even your classmates, to help you work hard. The other thing I want you to be kind. Be kind to yourselves. Be kind to each other. Okay? None of this, I can't do this. Yes, you can, and you will try. Now my nose is running. So be kind. Be kind to you, yourself, each other, your parents, everybody here at school. Just be kind. It's the easy thing to do. It's the right thing to do, especially in these times when it's so easy to get down and frustrated and feel not kind. Just be kind. Last thing, dream big. You guys can do anything you want. You're at a point in your life where it's time to start thinking about maybe what you want to do with when you grow up or have to adult. I don't recommend it, but you have to. So start thinking, what are some possibilities? What are you interested in? What do you like to do outside of school? And if all you do is tell me play video games, that's where we're going to start dreaming big. What else interests you? What other things can entertain you? And can you enjoy doing? So this year, that's our theme. Work hard, be kind, dream big. Can't wait to see you all. Bye.